Hi folks, I want to talk about making venison backstrap cooked sous vide. First thing you do is take your backstrap and cut it into about half-inch slices. As you can see the color of it right there. And then I use Reids barbecue sauce to marinate my backstrap slices. So just put that into a bag, shake it all up really good. Now I use a straw, as you'll see in a second here, to draw the air out of the bag and pull everything out and make it, almost like it's vacuum packed. So it'll look, sort of like this. Then I use a Joule circulator to cook with, and just put that thing in the water and bring it up to the temperature that you want. For this cooking, it's going to be 130 degrees. And then once it's up to temperature, you put your bag of medallions in the water. This time I cooked it for about 4 hours. You can cook it as many as 12. The more you cook it, the more it'll break down. And then once you're done with that and want to eat a little bit of it, then you get a super hot pan with some butter in it. You put the meat in there, then serve it up. And as you can see when you slice it here, it turns out perfect.